G'day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to a new free newsletter for this week. And what a week it was. Last week was one of the better weeks I've seen. Well, it's the best week of the year by basically a country mile as far as positivity in the space, market moving, trades available, Discord group lighting up, and profits being made by so many of you. It was just a really, really satisfying week, and a member message to you now, directly from me to you. If you currently have access to the course, you've purchased it, you've got your access there, and you've got the ability to be in Discord, I am praying that you come back. And the reason I say that is because I know people come and go. The Discord group is, once you've paid for the course, you can come and go as you please. It's not a subscription service. It doesn't cost you anything. So of course, naturally, you'll move away from it and you'll come back. Well, I'm telling you now, the market is in a very good position. Trading conditions are fantastic and the results have been equally as impressive. So welcome back. Please come back in because you've put the work in. It's time to make the money, and it is time right now. So what happened last week? Well, Bitcoin up 10.46%, but the big one was Ethereum. Ethereum here up 39%. Welcome back to the party, Ethereum. Now that is going to be very good for Ethereum holders, obviously, but it's also good for things like DeFi. I'm a big fan of DeFi and yield farming, that sort of thing. Ethereum is the platform where a lot of this occurs. It's really good to see Ethereum having a very strong performance last week and leading the entire top 10, as you'll have seen from the email. By the way, by the end of this, I will also share with you, I know not everybody in here is a member, but I'll share with you the trade that I've raised an order on today. So stick around for that. Ethereum up huge. Everything had a really strong week last week, as you can see across the board. There's all our weekly candles, very, very strong indeed. And the market has more than woken up at this stage. I still think it's very early in the bull run, but a very good start nevertheless. And the best thing about it is, we've just got great conditions for trading. Last week as well, I talked about the week before. In last week's free newsletter, I talked about Bitcoin's dominance approaching a new streak of positive weeks in a row, consecutive up weeks. Well, it failed. On week 9, it needed one more week to match the period of time that was set back in August, I think it was 2024. Or 3, either way, it doesn't really matter. We pull back 2.5% and really, really nice to see. One thing I think is really, really important. For a start, let's just stay with this dominance chart. It has pulled back in. It is in an uptrend on the daily. It is back in that cradle zone. Will Bitcoin now just rip the lips off things and push higher towards that 70% mark that we do see quite frequently in bull markets? Well, time will tell, but the fact of the matter is this trend is still very, very strong. The good thing about this, though, is that Bitcoin's dominance pulled back. Didn't mean Bitcoin pulled back. Bitcoin moved higher, but what we saw was a total market cap, and importantly, the total market cap minus Bitcoin increased a lot. And I'll show that to you right now. Have a look at the total market cap here. It was up last week, 13.28%. Very, very good. Of course, we love to see it. Having a look here at the monthly, it's done everything that I would hope that it would do. I'll flip back to Bitcoin. I talked about it back in the 74. I've been getting it bang on the money at the moment. I'm not bragging. I'm just telling it how it is. I was talking about it back into here. It's done. It's a bullish candle. It's broken the high. We've seen a good move so far. And I do see us taking out these all-time highs in the not too distant future. So the total market cap, as I said, up last week. Where are we? That's the monthly. Last week, 13.28%. Total market cap taking away Bitcoin 18.52. What this states, it's a reflection of what we see in Bitcoin's dominance decreasing. It means that the alt market outperformed Bitcoin. Okay, that's what we like to see. Why do we like to see that? Well, unless you're a Bitcoin maxi, and even if you are a Bitcoin maxi, but you trade, we want to see the majority of the market moving strong. If the majority of the market is moving strongly, then we get lots of opportunity to profit from those moves. And that's exactly what we did last week with some absolute dynamite trades. Have a look at this on GOAT. This was posted up in the Discord group. It was way back down here on this 2-hour chart. Now, I'll show you the type of return on investment here. We'll go off of, something as small as $100 just to make a point. So to where it is currently, That is 16.35%, multiple of risk. So therefore, if you put $100 in, it's 1,635, keeping the math simple. It was at one stage, if you had taken it all the way up here, 23 times the return on your capital invested. I am still long in hype from a breakout down here. Very profitable position. Kusama was a trade that we got in there as well on the breakout down here. As you can see, massive profits to be had. And I want to show you right now some of the stuff in Discord. This is Cradle Trades. Cardsy in here, another one, 3-to-1 profit there. Have a look in here at Great Trades. I mean, the list is huge. Coming forward, you know, profit, 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 profit. There's just so many. Profit, 520%, beautiful. Profit here again, profit here again. Profit. Look at how many. Look at this. This is the state of the Discord group right now. This is a channel called Great Trades. Great Trades is where people post their success and go, hurrah, look how, I nailed it, good. And look at it lighting up. Now this could be you. Okay, whether you've done the course and you want to come back in the Discord, come and get involved. This is what we're doing. And if you're not, then guys, get involved. This is what we do. I post my trades, what I'm looking at. I do my stalking list. We all share what we're trading in here. Okay, we've got everything in here. I do videos. All of this goes in there, different trade types. You can ask questions. You can post about your great trades, talk about your lessons learned. You can have a general chat. It's all there in the Discord. But it's been great to see this great trade list absolutely light up like a Christmas tree this week, which brings me now to the trade that I am looking, or that I have raised an order on today, and it is Bitcoin Cash. I don't know why I haven't got it in my watch list here, or do I have it there? I must have forgot. Okay, I'll come down. Bitcoin Cash. Here it is. So for those of you who know how I trade, this is very straightforward for you. You know what this setup is. For those that don't, what I'm looking at here is I'm looking to join the momentum on a swing trade, meaning that I might be in this trade for weeks, possibly even months if it goes well enough. What I've got is a very clear opportunity based on my checklist-based trading strategies. I got higher lows, higher low. We've pushed through this resistance. We blasted through. This is our first pullback into a round number of $400, and I've got a bullish candle in that cradle zone, which is in and around these moving averages that I like to trade. Good convergence. I checked the 2-day. You got nice trend on the 2-day chart as well, and a very good convergence. So for me on this position, I've raised my order as a cradle trade as it breaks the high of this candle here with a stop loss underneath the low. Now, it might not trigger today. It might. What I'm hoping for in today's session is that it does trigger today. We do see the market push on harder and higher. And then I can move to my lower timeframes, looking for that really good cyclicity to be trading on these lower timeframes, like the 1 hour, the 30-minute, that sort of thing. I'm looking for those trends to be established so that I can get in there and extract the capital, or extract some money from the markets, because the market is moving really, really nicely at the moment, and it is the time to be in it. So Bitcoin Cash is the trade that I've raised my order this morning. There will be more than likely. If we do see the market move higher, we will see more opportunities. But Bitcoin Cash, as I said, this is the one that I wanted to show you guys, a bit of an understanding as to how I took that, or why I took that. If it does break the low of this candle, by the way, I will cancel my order as it will be invalidated. Anyway, guys, there you go. That's the free news for this week. It's been a very highly positive week, very strong moves, a little pullback happening right now, which opens up opportunity. If you're not in there in the Discord group and you have access to, welcome back, because now's our time. And if you want to join us, don't forget, you pay for the course, you do the education, you learn it, and then at the end of it, well, you don't have a subscription service. You stay in Discord. It's part of your program. You can come and go as you please. Anyway, guys, have a fantastic day. I'm going to get back to it. I'll speak to you again very, very soon. Bye for now.